Sherman in the holding cell that day. I heard the officer, and really the case was Sherman had a friend and they were in a hotel, and Sherman went to go to the convenience store down the street, and while he was gone, the friend was essentially attacked by a guy in her room who was trying to sexually assault her, and she couldn't get the guy to go. And Sherman came back to find the scene, but as the investigator kept talking about what happened, it became apparent that Sherman ejected the guy from his room, which he's allowed to do, but the guy ran around in the parking lot seemingly high and somewhat insane and just collapsed and ultimately died. And so they blamed Sherman for this, charged Sherman with murder. We kept pushing and pushing and probing, and it became very apparent that it was simply a drug overdose. And so that was something we really focused on. I questioned this officer in the preliminary hearing, and ultimately the judge, who was a former prosecutor herself, just said, absolutely not. This case needs to go, and she dismissed it. And so Sherman was freed from jail.